there. This time we are going to take a look at how to interact with an individual log. So from your KickUp dashboard, you're going to click on View an Individual Log, and then you're going to search for the teacher who you are looking for. And select that person. Once you get to that person, you're going to see a couple of things pop up. One would be the recent activity, and this is really more of a timeline. So once you start to insert logs, you'll see events on the timeline, and as you go, you'll start to see a toggle button here where you can start to toggle between logs and observations. As you can see, this is my log, but what you'll see with your teacher is you'll see their data around the HLPs and or any other data that was captured through a fidelity check, along with the rating scales. And you can drop down each of the indicators to get a little bit more information. And then if you go down even further, you get an opportunity to see the responses that you put in. So hopefully this will help with accessing logs for your teachers. If you wanted to see a specific log, you can click on whichever one of the events is there, and it will pop up for that specific log. Thanks for watching.